Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do mail merge in Word document. So I have written a paragraph in the Word document. So that next step we are going to do is click mail links. So we are going to click start mail merge over here. When we click start mail merge, we get so many options like this. We are going to click the last one, that is step by step mail merge. So when we click that, we get the question like, what type of document are you working on? It's letters. So we're going to click next and next. So if you want to write the people's name in a new list, you're going to click type a new list and click create. You can give the title as Mr. or Miss. You should give the person's first name, last name, company, address, and city. So here I have given the name as the person Mr. John Edward and the company as MIS and the address as 121 121 Main Street. You can give the person's address, name, anything, and the city as Boston. So now you can click OK. If you're done, you can also add one more list for the other person name. So you can click new entry. Or if you want to delete this, you can click delete entry. You can click the option yes, or if you don't want to delete, you can click no. So I'm going to give cancel. I already have in use an existing list in my computer. So I'm going to click select a different list. So in my computer, I have saved the folder like mail merge computer. So click that and give open. So I have written here 3 to 4 names of people, first name, last name, company, and address. So I'm going to give OK. So now you're going to click the step next, write your letter. So now go to the top and give address block. So give OK. So we get like here address block and click enter and give space between address block and greeting line if you want. Now we are going to click the greeting line, which is the option second one, and give OK. So I'm not giving much space between the paragraph and greeting line. It is your wish. So now we are going to preview your letter. Over here, I have got it. So if you click this arrow, we can put it in next, like this. So we are going to click next, complete the merge, and give print. So if you want to print all the papers of the Word document, you can give all or the pages you want. Give OK.